welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a high school girl holding a spear by Yawahara. Stolen Light, a story-focused side-scroller game about safely escorting souls to the afterlife as a shadow lurks hungering after them. Some dream pop music by Odze, an MV plugin by Ace of Aces that allows us to customize the escape command in battles, also adding a feature to have the player lose gold every time they escape. Next we have a bunch of new Tilesets, retro restaurant tiles by Maru, Vaporwave RPG furniture by Xenofro. The next set of towels are all by Blue Carrot 16, Tileset of a carpenter shop, another of a tailor shop, a collection of 100 interior floor tiles, and lastly a set of 300 plus walls and 32 ceilings, again by Blue Carrot 16. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.